Dr. Cutter with the Chainsaw Hospital, and today we're going to be starting up this Husqvarna 281 XP. And so this is cold out. It's about 17 degrees this morning, so it's going to be exciting because these things have a lot of compression and there's no decompression valve on these cylinders, at least not on my cylinder. So here we go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to flip the ignition switch to the run position. We're going to pull the choke out. We're going to set the high idle with the trigger and the trigger interlock there. We're going to go ahead and set our chain brake forward there, and it might be easier for you guys to put this on the ground and put your foot through the hole right here and then pull up like this with it, but I'm just gonna put it between my legs here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start it up and see if we can get it to kind of bark. Try to start a little bit, and then what we'll do is we'll move forward from there. So let's see if we can get it to kind of bark a little bit. Here we go. Okay, so you can see it tried to start up a little bit there, and then I just hit the throttle to get it off that high idle, or I pushed the choke off. But let's see if we can get it to start back up again. And that brake wasn't holding a whole lot, but it's at least there. So we'll leave the switch in the run position. We'll set the choke again in the high idle, and what I'm going to do now is just push the choke off, and once it tries to start running, and then once I do that, then I'll take the throttle. I'll let it run like that for a second maybe, then I'll hit the throttle there and let it go back to an idle. Then we'll take the brake off, and then you know, it should be ready to go then. So let's see if we can get this thing to start up again and go from there. There you go. So we got it to fire up, and you know, like I said, push the choke off, hit the throttle there for a second, took the brake off by pulling it back toward the handle, and then it was ready to go. So that's awesome. Super nice saw. These 281s are amazing. One of my favorites actually. So they got the power for days, and they're just tanks, you know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here and checking this stuff out with me and doing all that. So, but either way guys, remember, keep your chain sharp and stay safe.